Hello, amazing star. Welcome to class. Today we are looking at the second phase of numbers and operations. Alright, so quickly let's begin.
Now, the first example we have here says, draw a line segment to match each bat and ball of the same color. Draw a line segment to match each bat and ball of the same color. Now, let's begin. You can see one has been done for us, the red bat to the red ball. Now let's match the yellow bat to the yellow ball. Yeah. What about the green bat to the green ball? Yeah. What about the blue bat to the blue ball? Yes, that is it. So we are done with that. Number 2 says, draw a line segment to match each row of balls and jacks that have the same number. Draw a line segment to match each row of balls and jacks that have the same number. So that means I will look for the corresponding number of jars to each ball or to each row of balls. Alright, so I have 2 balls here and I will look for 2 jacks. I have them here, so I will match my 2 jacks to my 2 balls. Second row is 3 balls, so I will look for 3 jacks. So that is it right here to my 3 balls. Third row is 4 balls, so I will look for 4 jacks. Yeah, right here. And the last one is 1 ball, so I will look for 1 jack right here. You see that? That is all for the first example into this class. Now let's move on to dominoes. Yeah, match pairs of dominoes to make 3. We want to make 3. You can see 2 and 1 made 3 because I have 2. When I add 1, I will have what? 3. Now let's pick another example of dominoes that will make 3. Are you ready? So let's go. I have 2 this way and I'll have 1 this way. So my 2 and 1 will still make what? 3. You see that? 2 and 1, 1 and 2 is the same thing. They will all make 3. And the last example I have here, or the last domino I have to match, will be 3 dominoes to nothing. That means 3 and 0. 3 and what? 3 and 0 make 3. Very good. Let's move on. Yeah, we still have pairs of dominoes. Now we want to make 4. So you have to match pairs of dominoes to make 4. So let's do that. I have 1 domino on this right side of mine. Now I'm going to look for what will I add to 1 to get 4. So better say, let's count on from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 fingers. Or let's depict that right here. This is 1 already. I'll circle it and count to 4. 1 on my screen, then 2, 3, and 4. So you can see how many circles do I have outside. 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3 we make 4. I will match that. You see? What about 2? I will put on my 2 and circle it and count to 4. 2, 3, 4. And how many circles do I have outside? 2 circles. 1, 2. I have 2 circles. So I will look for 2 circles. You see that? Oh, the last would be 4. So 0, because 0 and 0 means nothing. So that means I can match my 4 to the empty box right here. You see that? Because 4 and nothing is still 4, and nothing means 0. So I will match my 4 to my empty box, which is 0. Alright, so let's move on to the next example into this class. Whoa, we are looking at same, fewer, or more. We are looking at what? Same, fewer, or more. Now, take a look at the first example. The red hat has the same, fewer, or more flowers. They're asking us, look at the red hat and look at the blue hat. The red hat has 3 flowers, 3 yellow flowers, and the blue hat has just 1 flower. So, is it more than the flowers on the blue hat, or fewer, or the same? It is more, of course, because 3 flowers is more than 1 flower. So what will I do? I will circle the red heart and write what? More, because it is more than the amount of flowers on the blue heart. So I will what? Write my more. And that would be this, M-O-R-E. Very good. The next example right here is a set of chickens and their eggs. Now, it says the dark brown hen has the same, fewer or more eggs. Now, the dark brown hen has just 2 eggs, and the light brown hen has 5 eggs. So now they're asking us, the dark brown hen has, is it the same, fewer or more? It is fewer, because fewer means the one with a lesser amount. Alright, and which one has a lesser amount of eggs? It is the dark brown hen, because it has just 2 eggs, while the light brown hen has 5 eggs. You see that? So I will circle my dark brown hen, which I've done, and I'm going to write the word fewer. Fewer. F-E-W-E-R. Very good. Alright, now moving on to the last example for today's class. Yeah, it says the stars have the same, fewer or more objects than the other set. They're asking us. So row 1 or number 1 or question 1, we have a set of 5 stars, right? And beneath the 5 stars we have 4 circles. Good. Now we're going to pair and see which is more. Are you ready? Or which is fewer, or which is, or if they are the same. Alright, so let's go. The first one has been done for us. I'll pair the second one, pair the third one, pair the fourth one. Oh, I don't have anyone again. So that means the star is more. The star is what? More. So the stars have more objects than the other set, which is in this case the circle. So I can circle my star and write what? More. You see that? Yeah. Very good. Now the last example, we have a set of stars and a set of rectangles. So let's pair as usual. I'm done. Oh, and that's all. You can see they all have partners. They all have what? Partners. So no one is left. That means they are the same. They are what? They are the same. So what will I do? I won't circle anyone. I will just write what? Same. That means they are of the same amount.
Alright, that will be all for today's class. Hope it was fun. Alright, your quizzes and assignments are right after this class. Do well to attempt them. I'm waiting for your submissions. Okay, see you in our next class. Bye.